Hi and welcome back to the Kincole's how-to videos. Today we're going to look at the garter stitch and how to do it. It's probably the most simple thing that you can do, and it's the first stitch that you should learn because it's the knit stitch and every row is worked knit. I've already cast on, so if you're needing to know that, that's on one of our other how to cast on videos. So if you really are a beginner, that's the best place. Obviously you've got to start somewhere, so start with the casting on, and then the next one you come on to is this, which is the knit stitch. So you put your needle in from the front, wrap, bring it back through, slip it off, in from the front, wrap around, slip it back through and off the end. So in, round, through, off. I do find when you're learning it's great to have kind of a little rhythm going through your head for any technique that you're learning. It's great. So for this one, wrap, through and off, in, wrap, through and off, and do make sure you are going in from the front each time, otherwise, although you'd still be doing a knit stitch, it would look a little bit different. So I'm just going to get us through to the end of the row, doing exactly the same. Try as well to keep your rhythm quite smooth, because that's how you'll get your neatest knitting. If you're very tense and jerky with it, you will find that you've got bits that are a bit more stretched. I'll just do you one more row and then show you a little bit of the effect that you're getting with this. So it's in from the front, round, bring it through and off, in from the front, round, bring it through, off. And it's just one. It's great to practice. If you're wanting to have a go at a scarf, then with this I've picked chunky wool and 6mm needles. So if you are a beginner and you're wanting to have a go, grab some 6mm needles and some chunky wool, not super chunky but chunky, and you can either go, I've gone with plain today just to give you a really clear view of what I'm doing, but the variegated patterned ones are great for this because all you're going to do is keep turning around and knitting. With garter stitch your work lies flat, it doesn't curl, and that's brilliant for if you're doing scarves or edgings on things, and you get this lovely ridge pattern on both sides, so it's in effect double-sided and you don't have to do anything more technical than that. So that is the knit stitch, and all knitting is called garter stitch. Okay, hope that helps. See you in the next one.